In this movie I will show how NX can help control the size of parts and/or assemblies. First I will create a control measurement. The only measurement required is the minimum distance. Therefore I will turn off the associativity for inner angle, but leave the associativity for the minimum distance. In the expression dialog box, right-click the measurement variable and select Add a check and then the new requirement. You can enter a meaningful name for the new requirement. After that, set the severity. Is this just information or is it an error? Next select a definition method and define the expression. For this example, I will define that the measurement must always be equal to or greater than 10 mm. You can immediately see a green check mark indicating that the checked distance is OK. Now click on the HD 3D Tools resource bar and double-click on a requirement validation. Here you can see green check mark, current value, limit value, etc. A green checkmark now also appears in the assembly navigator. Now let's make a change. The base should be narrower. Only 3 values are allowed for the base, so let's choose 100 mm. As soon as the change is made, the assembly navigator informs us that there is an issue with at least one measurement. Requirements validation shows exactly the error. The current value is only 2.7 mm, which is less than the limit value. Let's now replace the axle with a shorter one. As soon as the replacement is done, the requirement shows a green check mark again. This is fairly simple example, but I hope you get the idea of how requirement validation can help with even more complex assemblies.